Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to make a corsage or a lapel with this lily. First of all, I would select the wire I was going to use. I've got the 0.35 millimeter wire here, a 20 gauge wire, a 26 gauge wire, and this one is a 30 gauge wire. I wired the bowl with the 26 gauge wire. This one with the greenery, I've got the 35 millimeter wire. Then I'll just tape the leaf. Now, I would recommend wire cutters, but if your scissors do have this part, then you can use it, but it will make them go blunt quicker. The best scissors are to use for the wire are specifically wire cutters. Now this is a really quick and easy buttonhole to make. And a good way to practice building up your speed for wiring ivy leaves, because if you're in a flower shop or you're doing weddings, it is something you'll be doing a lot of. It's just when you're watching your favourite series or film, just grab a pile of ivy leaves and wire them while you're watching a program. And that will be a way to build up your speed without just sitting wiring them and not doing anything else. Okay, I haven't wired the lily because I don't need to wire that just now. I would just tape it though, just to make sure it doesn't lose too much moisture in the stem. It dries out a lot faster if it's got nothing around it. There we go. And then I'd have the taller eucalyptus at the back there. I'm trying to keep this tight and light because it will be attached to a jacket or a dress. I've placed the ribbon here at the front and the ivy. Then, so you're not having these long parts of wire, I would just cut this here. You don't want it too long, although it depends on your preference. You can curl the stem. So I would fold these down so you don't really see the stem, like so, and then you can see the ribbon a bit better. Bow. And if you like, you can just curl the stem up a bit so you can't really see anything at all. And then I'd add a pin. So you can attach it to the jacket. Again, this will leave a mark on the jacket. It will leave a hole in the jacket. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to see any more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.